Have you been thinking about relocating to San Antonio? Or perhaps you're already here and looking for a new home? Here are 5 things you need to know about San Antonio, even if you live here and you're in good company. So we're going to cover that, and we're going to cover that today. And we're getting after it right now. San Antonio is the second largest city in the Lone Star State, right behind Houston, and has been drawing folks in from all corners of the map. It's not just because of its size, it's because San Antonio has that unique blend of old world charm and modern vibrancy it's hard to resist. Whether you're relocating from within Texas, within San Antonio, or from out of state, there are plenty of factors to weigh before you set your plans in motion. Have you ever wondered why so many people are moving to San Antonio? San Antonio, Texas, affectionately known as the Alamo City or San Antone or Military City, USA, has a rich history and a thriving modern culture that continues to captivate individuals nationwide. I've found in this video journey that many times some of the information that is shared with you is new and or something you may not have considered. So here we go with a little background. San Antonio was founded in 1718 as a Spanish mission and colonial outpost. The city's historical roots are vividly alive in its architecture and traditions. Yet, San Antonio is no relic of the past. It's a dynamic, evolving metropolis that marries its storied history with boundless opportunities. Between 2000 and 2010, San Antonio skyrocketed as the fastest growing city among the top 10 largest cities in the United States and was named one of the fastest growing cities again during the pandemic. The reason is clear. This city is a hub of opportunity, anchored in military, healthcare, government, civil service, and professional services, oil and gas, and tourism. It caters to an array of professional interests. As the largest city in the San Antonio-New Braunfels metropolitan area, also known as the Greater San Antonio area, this city serves as a vibrant core of a diverse and lively region. Having over 2.6 million residents, this metropolitan area is a melting pot for cultures, ideas, and innovation, making it an exciting and dynamic place to call home. And the best part? San Antonio doesn't break the bank. It offers an excellent quality of life without the steep costs found in many major cities. Let's talk about San Antonio's climate and geography. Is San Antonio a desirable place to live? Well, San Antonio is the place where the sunshine spends the winter. Enjoy a unique climate and geography that beckons residents. While the city is located 140 miles from the Gulf of Mexico, it still experiences a similar warm, muggy air typical of a semi-tropical climate. However, due to San Antonio's proximity to the Gulf of Mexico, it's more prone to experience severe tropical storms. With an average temperature of 90 degrees over the summer months, and many of us really don't believe that, the locals are still not used to the heat. If you're not one to enjoy baking under the sun, San Antonio is speckled with large, beautiful oak and cedar trees that help provide some much-needed shade to San Antonians. Winters are mild, with infrequent freezing temperatures, with only an average of 20 days that might drop below freezing. However, snow is rare and rainfall is relatively balanced throughout the year, with the wettest months being May, June, and October. If you love a rare snowfall, don't skip out on San Antonio just yet. There's always a chance for snow every couple of winters, so stick around long enough and you just might be treated to some. Just know that we don't have the snow removal equipment that cities have that experience real winters. You're going to want to stay inside and stay safe. We don't know how to drive in that stuff. So here are 5 things you should know before you move to San Antonio. Consider the following reasons to help you decide why moving to San Antonio or moving within San Antonio is the smartest move you'll ever make. Number 1, where to call home. The best neighborhoods in San Antonio, Texas. Despite being the 7th largest city in the U.S., San Antonio manages to retain that small town feel, offering a laid-back and inviting vibe. When it comes to finding your perfect place to live in San Antonio, you're in for a treat. The city has a variety of neighborhoods, each with its unique appeal, making it easy to find your niche within this big, friendly community. Here are some neighborhoods to consider when making a move in San Antonio or moving to San Antonio. The downtown area. Enjoy all the heart San Antonio offers, including the famous Riverwalk with access to great shops, delicious restaurants, the Alamo, the Pearl, and the beautiful scenery. The Medical Center District. If you're looking for luxury apartments, look no further. With easy access to all the fun in the Northwest, San Antonio, you're sure to find a home that's right for you. Alta Vista. As a neighborhood conservation district, you can enjoy San Antonio's oldest known park, San Pedro Springs, the historic public theater, and the San Pedro Library. Beacon Hill. Enjoy beautiful Italian and Spanish colonial-style bungalows and vibrant art installations in this conservation district. Alamo Heights. This neighborhood is great for families, with the San Antonio Zoo just a 5-mile drive away and walking distance to the Almost Basin Park. There are a lot of amenities to enjoy as a family. Don't forget, you'll have close access to some great high school football and the San Antonio Country Club for a quick round of golf. In Stone Oak, enjoy North San Antonio's luxury neighborhood with built-in access to recreational and leisure amenities. Balcones Heights. Only 9 miles northwest of downtown, residents in this neighborhood enjoy quick access to North Star Mall, where you can get a picture next to the world's largest cowboy boots. The Park North Shopping Center. Take advantage of the Comedy Club and the Alamo Draft House, Pinstack, and many more. La Cantera. Residents of La Cantera can enjoy some of the best close-by restaurants and all the amenities of the shops at La Cantera and the Rim. Don't forget, Six Flags is within 5 miles, which is an added benefit for entertainment. Almost Park. This area is only 4 miles north of downtown San Antonio, and its residents host pumpkin carvings, the 4th of July parade, and Christmas tree lighting for the family to enjoy yearly. No matter where you choose to live, we know you'll love living in San Antonio. Number 2, embracing life in San Antonio, where affordability meets quality living. Want to enjoy life without constantly watching your wallet? San Antonio may be the city for you with its impressively low figures. The cost of living here in San Antonio shines, landing right at the state average, 8% lower than the national average and 10% lower than Austin, Texas. The cost of living is well in line with the national average, with a median household income of $65,000. Companies continue to relocate here to San Antonio, bringing higher paying jobs. While housing prices are rising in San Antonio with an average home price of $378,000, they are still 20% cheaper here compared to the U.S. average. Utilities also play nice with your budget, running around 12% lower. There is also no state income tax, so you can keep more of the money that you earn and keep it in your pockets. From real estate to utilities to gas prices, and yes, even groceries, you'll find everything in San Antonio considerably more wallet friendly. Make your move to San Antonio a reality today. Number 3, navigating San Antonio school system for your kids San Antonio has a range of top-notch educational institutions, making it a fantastic place to pursue quality education. Some of the notable school districts around for their educational excellence include Northside, Alamo Heights, Bernie, Medina Valley, and more. These districts offer robust educational programs, including language immersion programs, ensuring students receive a well-rounded education. But it doesn't really stop there with the public schools. San Antonio offers a rich variety of educational choices. Charter schools and vibrant homeschooling culture contribute to the diverse educational landscape in the city. Higher education in San Antonio is equally impressive, with nearly 30 institutions of higher learning. There are 6 four-year colleges and universities in San Antonio: the University of Texas in San Antonio and Texas A&M University in San Antonio, the University of Incarnate Word, St. Mary's University, Trinity University, and Our Lady of the Lake University are just the tip of the iceberg. And don't forget the University of Texas Health Science Center, which would actually be a 7th university. The city also has 4 junior colleges, with San Antonio College, Northwest Vista College, St. Philip's College, and Palo Alto College, that ensure that whatever your educational goals may be, San Antonio is likely to have the perfect place to help you achieve them. Number 4, satisfy your taste buds with San Antonio's culinary delights. And I'm telling you, what makes San Antonio's a good scene, so unique and designed as a UNESCO, from the Tex-Mex dishes that locals swear by to wonderful Asian flavors, German specialties, Czechoslovakian treats, and the soulful Tejano cuisine, there's a world of food to explore here. Some of the local favorites are La Fogata, Lupe Tortilla, Harry's Steakhouse, Bohannon's, and J. Prime. Number 5. Join the fiesta. Embrace San Antonio's warm and welcoming community. San Antonio is a city where diversity thrives, and its warm and welcoming community spirit is at the heart of its charm. With a rich Mexican heritage that's deeply woven into its history, nearly 2/3 of the city's population is Hispanic or Latino, adding a vibrant cultural dimension. San Antonio is a true melting pot of cultures where various backgrounds come together to create a dynamic fusion of traditions, cuisines, and celebrations. For an immersive cultural experience, look no further than the Market Square, often referred to as El Mercado. This vibrant marketplace is the largest Mexican market in the United States. The city embraces its diverse population and hosts numerous cultural events, parades, and celebrations throughout the year, fostering a sense of unity among its residents. The most popular is Fiesta, and that is some celebration. While Mexican heritage plays a significant role in San Antonio's identity, the city is also steep in cowboy culture. Rodeos and equestrian events are a celebrated part of life here. With the San Antonio Stock Show and Rodeo being a premier annual event, it's an opportunity to witness thrilling rodeo competitions, indulge in classic Texas barbecue, and soak in the vibrant rodeo atmosphere. You'll even get a little country music. So if you're thinking about moving within or locating to San Antonio in the next 9 days or 90 days, send us a text, an email, call us on the phone, schedule a Zoom call, give us a like, hit the subscribe button below so that you will be the first to be notified when new videos are posted, and don't forget, who you work with matters.